I have something wonderful to show you. This is from Knitter's Pride, the Mindful Collection, and this is called the Grateful Set. And so they are double pointed needles, and from size 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3 US needles, and then of course you have the number in millimeters right under it. So this is wonderful to knit sweaters, hats, gloves, even to make cables. You can hold stitches in there, and then when you work with them, your stitches don't fall off because these needles are nice and long. So wonderful, and they're not too pointy, not too bland. So wonderful. And then if you can't read the number of it, you can see there's this one says patience, which I need a lot of. So wonderful, wonderful. They're very nice for my hands because they are nice and soft and light. So, and then you have the needle gauge and your bag with all your stitch markers and place markers. Wonderful. So this is nice. With the Mindful Collection set, I have several place markers and stitch separators. Look how pretty those are. And there's 10 of each. So wonderful. So there's 3 different sizes of the stitch markers, and there's 2 different kinds of place markers, and I have 2 sewing needles, and then of course you can find your needle gauge. Wonderful.